Welcome to the Travel and Design channel. This series is all about turning an everyday car into a camper. And today's main feature is... Wait, hold on a second. Let's start with this one, a 2006 Toyota Sienna. I chose it because it's one of the most popular MPVs, both to drive and to modify. It's also one of the most iconic models in the North American market. Whether it's for family trips, hauling gear, or daily commuting, the Sienna handles it all with ease. Known for its reliability and durability, you can still find plenty of them at used car lots today. The Sienna offers spacious interiors and a flexible layout, and through this build, I wanted to explore just how far that potential can go. The same design logic applies to other similar vehicles too, so even if you don't own a Sienna, you might still find some inspiration here. Vehicle overview. This 2006 Sienna comes with a 3.3-liter V6 engine measuring about 50-80 mm long and 90-66 mm wide. Just sitting inside, you can immediately feel its solid and spacious presence. In the back, the interior space measures 2,235 in length, 1,215 mm in width, and 1,370 mm in height, enough to seat 8 people in a 2+3+3 layout. But the really cool part is the rear seats. The second row can be completely removed, while the third row is a stow-away design that folds right into the floor. Unlike seats that only fold forward or need to be detached, this setup creates a perfectly flat floor with no bumps at all. So once you remove the second row and fold down the third, you get a massive 4,216 liters of space. With those dimensions in mind, it's time to start planning how to use that space. Floor leveling. The first step of this build is leveling the floor. Once the floor is flat, the entire space can be fully utilized. It becomes the foundation for everything that follows, from layout to interior setup. I started by removing the second row seats, then folding the third row into the floor. That opens up the car completely, creating a wide and comfortable living area that can easily switch between resting, moving around, or setting up furniture. The simplest way to level the floor is by laying down a carpet. If you want a quick and low-cost solution, this is the most direct and effective option. It keeps the floor even, adds comfort and stability, and helps reduce vibration and noise. But if you want to take it further, combining looks, comfort, and structure, then you want a wood flooring system. For the Sienna, I designed 2 different leveling options, so you can choose based on your needs and DIY skill level. The wooden floor is designed to fit without altering the original car structure, so you can always remove it and return to stock later. It's a balance between durability and reversibility, solid, practical, and easy to maintain. Option 1. Foldable wooden floor. The key idea behind this design is quick setup and easy storage. The main board is 121.5 by 117 centimeters, and each of the 4 extension boards is 121.5 by 27. All panels are connected with flexible fabric straps, allowing them to fold like an accordion brochure. When you want to bring back the third row seats, just fold the 4 rear panels forward, and instantly the space switches from a lounge setup to a multi-passenger vehicle without any need to remove the floor panels. Option 2. Modular wooden floor. This option focuses on flexible configuration and is divided into 3 main sections. A long board measuring 120 by 117 cm forms the primary surface. For the recessed areas near the sliding doors, you can add extra 15 by 90 cm boards to match the curves. 372 by 35 cm boards connected with hinges, unfolding to 72 by 105 cm. Similar structure with 348 by 35 cm boards joined by hinges unfolding to 48 by 15 cm. You can lift just one side of the folding section to bring up the third row seats, or fold the panels into a vertical surface to create a temporary mobile desk or dining table. Once the wooden floor is in place, it becomes the foundation for space planning and modular design. Space planning. When designing the interior, we focused on spatial zoning and modular layouts, giving each unit clear structure and purpose. In this limited space, flexible setups and multifunctional furniture create a balance between comfort and adaptability. Every proportion and connection was shaped with ergonomics and space efficiency in mind. The entire setup centers on the idea of convertible spaces, continuing from the last video, using 30 cm storage cubes as the core units. All modules are arranged both horizontally and vertically, keeping the design compact yet fully functional. What we want viewers to feel is that this isn't just a camper van build, it's a mobile design experiment, turning a car into a bridge between daily life and exploration. With foldable, interlocking wooden floors as the base, we created several layouts that let the space transform freely for different needs. Foldable platform system. This design works as the foundation of a transformable living space. Once the foldable wooden panels flatten the floor, the entire cabin becomes a blank canvas, ready to become whatever you imagine: a compact kitchen, a private bedroom, or a cozy micro lounge. Here, function defines form, and every inch of space is designed to serve your lifestyle. Designed for the solo traveler, this compact kitchen mode feels like a refined studio apartment. Stacked modular boxes create a tiered countertop, workspace above, storage below. Add a sink and a small pump, and it instantly upgrades into a full mini kitchen. Slide one box aside to form a seat, and you have a cafe corner where you can cook. Lay down a foldable mattress in the rear, and you have a serene spot for reading, dining, or working. A quiet retreat within your mobile home. The interior layout is well defined, so cooking and resting don't interfere with each other. This is your private sanctuary on the road. Storage boxes double as nightstands for your essentials, while a slim tabletop holds a lamp and water bottle. Low-profile furniture keeps the visual line open, making the cabin feel spacious and calm. A compact folding toilet fits discreetly in the corner, and the side passage remains clear for easy access, just like stepping out of a minimalist bedroom suite. When guests step in, the cabin transforms into a warm, shared lounge. The rear seats stay, while modular boxes line the back to form an L-shaped table and sofa. It's a workspace, a dining spot, or a tea lounge, all within reach. Designed to host up to 4 people comfortably, the setup keeps the storage capacity intact, striking a perfect balance between comfort and versatility. Modular wooden floor. This is a more flexible foundation. With movable modular panels, the space can shift from bedroom to living room, from workspace to entertainment zone. Each transformation feels like redesigning a stylish micro. A private suite designed for one. Raise the third row seat and flip up the wooden panel to reveal a tabletop. Across from it lies a single bed with storage underneath. A compact toilet fits neatly in the rear compartment. In less than 40 square feet, you have a bedroom, study, and bathroom all in one, a true micro home on wheels. When friends come along, a few quick moves turn the cabin to a welcoming lounge. Rearrange the boxes, layer a mattress, and the space becomes a soft sofa area. This is where conversations flow and moments are shared, your living room on the move. For your own entertainment suite, raise the rear seats, store away the panels, and keep a tablet top up front. Mount a tablet or projector screen on a box, pair it with a speaker, and you've got your personal cinema anywhere you park. No need to move panels, just rearrange the storage boxes to face the view. When it's too hot or too cold outside, sit back, enjoy the music, and watch the world drift by. That stillness, that quiet luxury is what makes mobile living so beautiful. Design doesn't stop at the cabin. When parked in a beautiful spot, the outdoors should become part of your home. With the car awning and rear-mounted modules, the exterior unfolds naturally, turning into your open-air patio, kitchen, or veranda. When indoor space is limited, the bathroom gracefully moves outdoors. 2 car awning panels form a stable triangular enclosure beside the car. Open the side door and the spaces connect seamlessly. With waterproof flooring and a foldable tub, it balances privacy, hygiene, and open air comfort perfectly. 2 panels open into an L-shaped layout, creating a breezy side patio. It's your morning coffee corner, your evening kitchen, your link between car and nature, where air, light, and rhythm flow freely. Unfold the full rear tent at the rear and the trunk transforms into a scenic veranda. Lay down a rug, set a low table and chairs, and you have a dining, lounging, or movie watching space surrounded by nature, life on the road with the warmth of home. During the design phase, each concept is modeled in 3D to ensure space is used efficiently and proportions work in real life. The goal isn't just good visuals, but a design that functions in real environments. While 2D drawings define length and width, height can only be verified through modeling. In compact spaces, even a few centimeters or slight angles affect usability. Since manufacturer 3D data is rarely available, we start with the closest vehicle model online and refine it using official dimensions and real measurements. Each component is then placed true to scale, allowing us to detect issues early, such as box stacking height, sightlines, or interior interference. Through repeated simulation and fine-tuning, we achieve a well-balanced design in space, function, and harmony. It's raining outside. Inside, a pot of soup simmers quietly, warm, calm, just right. On winter nights, I spread out blankets and pillows. It's cold outside, but perfectly cozy within. When loneliness creeps in, I make tea, sit back, and let the feeling fade away. Before dawn, I brew coffee. The forest's silence and the first light of day gently begin a new morning. When friends visit, a tablecloth turns the car into a small living room. At night, I play music, lean back, and watch the stars. In summer, it's simpler. Just the view, cool air, and a quiet chat. The space outside expands too. A side awning becomes a shower room, or an L-shaped setup forms a semi-outdoor courtyard. Even in the rain, it's fine. Just sit under the awning, listening, watching. With the full rear awning open, a lakeside or mountain spot becomes your own balcony with a view. This transformation isn't about adding more, but revealing the true character of the Sienna, a seamless blend of design and space, forming a complete, harmonious mobile home. Q&A: will these modifications be illegal? Not at all. This no-damage setup doesn't alter the car's interior or structure, and everything can be restored quickly. Will these boxes move while driving? Just take the stacked boxes down and lay them flat or secure them with bungee cords. The magnetic connection is very strong. How many boxes do I need? That depends on your layout and needs. The boxes also work as storage, so you can keep your camping gear inside. No extra packing needed, saving time and effort. What about large items that don't fit in the boxes? When buying bigger items, check if they can be stored flat. If so, you can slide them under the seats, hang them in the rear hatch area, or place them near the ceiling. How much budget do I need? I recommend breaking the project into stages. First, level the seats and the floor. You can DIY this part with just the material cost and choose the style you like. Floor materials are about $95. Next are the storage boxes. Using 830 cm3 boxes as an example, the cost is about $200. Overall, starting with DIY and going step by step, you can begin with roughly $300. Is the DIY process complicated? Not really. At Home Depot, you can plan your measurements and they'll cut the materials for free. At home, just assemble everything according to the measurements.